I'm from San Diego, California. I actually discovered the Motwani LASIK business through my wife. It was a referral, so she was a prior patient who also got LASIK done, and she actually heard through a recommendation as well, so quite a few people found out about Motwani LASIK through word of mouth, which is awesome. I talked to one other doctor, but I never actually saw them, so I basically chose Motwani from the very beginning. I don't think I have any clinical diagnoses except for astigmatism and then just very poor vision where I need corrective lenses to see during the day and at night. I would say the impact is minimal. I wear corrective lenses during the day and night. I will say the quality of life, obviously, compared to someone who doesn't need them is a lot different. It takes quite a bit of time from your day. It's a process to put on contacts, to wear glasses. You have to renew them every so often. And then the cost impact too. Like, contacts are very expensive over the course of a life. So I would say less impact to career, but more so just financially it's impactful. And swimming with contacts isn't great. I've had instances where I've jumped off of like a diving board and like lost a contact, and then I was without like one contact for the rest of the day, which is super tough. But really it's just, not having good vision at night. So you go to sleep and you wake up in the middle of the night, you have to get your glasses on, you can't see. I always think about in the event of a disaster, how I would fare with poor vision, and if I lost access to contacts or eyeglasses, like what I would do. And then my vision after surgery is life-changing, I'd say. It's crazy what I can see. I think I just tested with 20/15 vision in both eyes, or with seeing with both eyes, which is insane. I don't know if I've ever had that good of vision, maybe when I was like a child, which I don't remember. But the fact that like I can just go about my day and my life being able to see perfectly is quite remarkable. And the procedure itself was so simple and easy. It was painless. It took 15 minutes, and almost immediately after the procedure I had perfect vision that I could only dream of having without corrective lenses. So definitely life-changing, I'd say, after the surgery. Living my life, and the best thing is like I can remove the process of taking contacts out, putting them in, buying them, wearing glasses. Like, it's just nice that I can get up in the morning and then I'm immediately like moving around, going about my day, not thinking about my vision, which is great. I think that's the biggest thing after surgery, is that I no longer think about my vision. It's no longer a hindrance. It's actually like one of the strongest things of my body now, which is awesome.